Good morning, friend. It is 8:30 in the morning. I just had my breakfast and our luggages are packed because we are going to Rameshwaram via Trichy.
Bye bye, fortune. Till now, everything was familiar to us, such as food, places, hotel, and all. But now, a real South India trip has started from today. We have to cover approximate 630 kilometers to reach Rameshwaram. Google Auntie says 13 hours are required to complete this journey. Let's see how we complete it. As you know, currently due to pandemic, each and every state has its own rule. After approximately 50 kilometers from here, we are going to enter in Tamil Nadu. As per Tamil Nadu state guidelines, it is mandatory to have e-registration before entering to the state. So we have already taken e-registration to enter Tamil Nadu. There are 3 entry points to Tamil Nadu from Tirupati, but we are entering via Ponpadi checkpost entry point. We saw so many natural rock formations. I don't know how camera will justify it, but they are really awesome. Now we are at a border. Soon we will be entering in Tamil Nadu. See, this is a checkpost of Andhra Pradesh. Police are there and checking the vehicles entering in Andhra Pradesh from Tamil Nadu. Nobody is there on Ponpadi checkpost, so without showing e-registration, we entered in Tamil Nadu. After entering in Tamil Nadu, from this checkpost, Vellore is just 40 km, which is famous for golden temple of goddess Lakshmi Narayani. Unfortunately, we are not going to visit this temple in our trip, but next time we will definitely plan to visit it. If we will cover everything in this trip, then what will remain to explore in next trip? Anyways, let's focus on the journey. So Google Auntie guided us and asked us to go to the Hardcore City Road. This is the market of Tiruthani. And we got stuck in this traffic jam. We got stuck in heavy traffic jam of the town. You go anywhere in India, language will change, people will change, but traffic will remain the same. We took a Kanchipuram bypass and stopped there for relaxation. Hi friends, we are on the way to Trichy. After that we are going to go to Rameshwaram. Now here we are near to Kanchipuram and you can see greenery over here. And everyone knows that Kanchipuram is very famous for sari. So women like those saris.
Actually, it is famous for Kanchipuram silk because the sari are very costly and very nice.
There was greenery everywhere and it was too windy. We are absolutely new for this route, so whatever Google Auntie is saying and we are following. And again this time Google Auntie has asked to go through the city, main market. You can see vegetables, fruit, shops, so many things are there. We were very tired and exhausted of the single lane undivided roads. There were fields and towns that were very close to each other and not allowing us to increase our speed more than 50 km per hour. We were desperately looking for the highway. No good restaurants here. At last we reached Tindivanam and caught the highway. Pondicherry just 35 km from here, guys. Everyone was in a dual mind where to go. Can we detour and go to Pondicherry or keep the schedule following and go to Rameshwaram? Finally came to a conclusion and left behind the thought of going to Pondicherry. Oh Pondicherry, please wait. See you soon. Now we are on Chennai-Trichy highway. By following this route, we reached Trichy. Here on left hand side you can see Trichy airport. We have covered almost 392 km and it's 5 o'clock in the evening. Still our destination is 275 km. After having evening snacks, we started our journey to Rameshwaram. Finally, we have reached Rameshwaram and we are there on the Paman Bridge at 11:30. Vipra got up to see the Paman Bridge. She was very happy because we are going to reach hotel within half an hour. Wow, what a beautiful view. अंधारात काहीच दिसत नाही. Finally, we crossed the bridge. After completing this long, tedious journey, we reached hotel. We experienced the cool breeze. We completed our formality and slept. We were very tired. Good night, friend. Tomorrow we'll go for Rameswaram Darshan.